Hey y'all, welcome to another video from WreckingOut.com. As I'm gearing up for an upcoming trip to the coast, I wanted to show y'all how I use a work sharp field sharpener to keep my hook sharp. I love this tool and I keep one in both my hunting and my fishing bag just because they're so useful. So the first step for sharpening your hooks is to use a pair of split ring pliers to remove the treble hooks from the lure, because we're actually going to put them in an ultrasonic cleaner and I don't want to put the lure with the paint job into the cleaner. So I collect all my hooks and I run them through on a hot cycle. And this is 50% water and 50% simple green. So this will take the permastill off some of the hooks if you run it for too long. So I run it through one cycle and then I put them in clean fresh water to get all the degreaser off of them. Doesn't take much, just kind of shake them around and get all the simple green off. And after I soak them, I'll then spread them out to dry them off. If I see any little spots of rust, I'll get some triple lot steel wool and I'll just clean that off. So this one came out pretty good, but there's a few spots, so I'll just clean those up a little bit. So for your rust, I then get out the work sharp field sharpener and I set the ceramic rod to the hook sharpener setting. This thing is invaluable as you can quickly sharpen both your hooks as well as your bait and fillet knives all while you're in the field. To sharpen the hook, just place it parallel to the ceramic rod and run it back and forth. So I try to hit both sides, and when the hook catches on your nail without pulling free, it's ready to go back into the water. So that's really all there is to it with the work sharp. Again, I use it for hunting and fishing. I hope it helps y'all as you get out this summer. Thanks.